Hello. Today we'll be learning the chanting of the mantra Sahanavavatu, and also we'll try to know the meaning of this mantra. So let us start. So this Sahanavavatu, this mantra is derived from the ancient Sanskrit mantra from Krishna Yajurveda, that is Taittiriya Upanishad, and it is a devotional prayer. This is commonly recited before studying sacred scriptures or starting a class, any class for that matter, or even before beginning a yoga practice. Even before you start practicing the asanas, you can chant this mantra. And the purpose is to invoke harmony and focus. So chanting Sahana Bhavatu before the session makes it joyful and fruitful. So let me chant this once for you. Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau bhunaktu Saha viryam karavavahai Tejasvi navadhitamastu Mavidvishavahai. Shanti Shanti Shanti. So let us try to understand the meaning of this prayer. Let's begin with the chanting of Bija Mantra Om. So Om is a symbol of eternal Parabrahman, which means supreme reality, and chanting that helps us to invoke peace and unity. And after Om, it's followed by the mantra Sahanavavatu. So Avatu means protection. So here we are telling to the divine that maybe two, that is the teacher and student, be protected together. Sahanavavatu. So this ensures a safe and supportive environment for learning. And the next line is Sahanau bhunaktu. Bhunaktu is derived from the Sanskrit word bhojan, which means Saha means it's together again. Maybe to relish this journey together. So which means that. So it emphasizes future joy and nourishment in gaining the knowledge. Okay, nourishment, it's both physical nourishment and also the mental. Then in the next line, Saha viryam karavavahai. So here, the meaning of Saha viryam karavavahai is may we work together with vigor and dedication. Viryam karavavahai means work with vigor and dedication. And the purpose is this acts as a reminder to approach studies with energy and focus. Then Tejasvi navadhitamastu. The next line is Tejasvi navadhitamastu, which means may what has been studied by us be filled with brilliance and understanding. So Tejasvi means light. So which you can tell brilliance of understanding and leading to knowledge. So this should lead to the knowledge. Then Mavidvishavahai. Vidvishavahai means hostility. So here we are telling may there be no hostility. Ma means not or no. May there be no hostility or misunderstanding between us. So between the teacher and student. So this promotes mutual respect and trust in the learning relationship. Then in the last we are chanting Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So that means peace. Shanti means peace. So this invokes peace in the mind, body and environment, removing obstacle to learning. Thank you for watching the complete video.